Look, we should love our fathers, but the reality is that they might have dropped the ball here and there. See, through the course of my life and trying to better myself and level myself up, I noticed that there's a lot of things, a lot of powerful things that our dads aren't teaching us that are going to help build us up, be better with women, be more successful, be more confident today, boys. I'm not going to act like your brother. I'm going to act like your father. See, if you were my son, today I'm going to show you the 5 most powerful things you can do right now to change your life. Let's hop into this. Number 1, I want you to take the path of most resistance. See, the way that our brain is wired, it's wired for efficiency. It's wired to use as least energy as possible, to take the most comfortable path. So you see that pretty girl, you want to talk to her, your brain will tell you, nah, just stay right here. Get up early for a jog? Nah, just sleep another 40 minutes. See, this is the same thought process that 99.999% of other people also experience. So you're not alone. But see, I don't want you to be like everybody else. I want you to be the 0.01%. I want you to take the uncomfortable, hard path every time. Want to talk to her? Go talk to her. Want to get up early? Get up early and do that workout. Want to start your own business? Pick a hard major. I want you to take the most uncomfortable path, because what's at the end of that path, that's a success that most will never taste. Number 2, take care of how you look, how you present yourself. I know for a fact your dad never put an emphasis on how you dress or explain to you how when you wear certain pieces, it projects a certain message. Matter of fact, to the point that if you come from a minority family household like I do, like Latino or some other minority, guaranteed it was the opposite. Your dad and your family probably thought you were a little sus because you cared about how you dressed. I went through it too. But see, that's the thing. They're not smart enough. See, I promise you, there is a difference on how people will see you, perceive you, and treat you once you start taking care about how you look. I'm not telling you to be a freaking runway model. I'm telling you to just care about fit. Care about how clothing looks at you, the color palette. Make sure that it fits your body right and you're wearing the right clothing for the right situation to get the respect that you want. And look, you don't even need to go overboard. Try something simple. Do one change in your wardrobe. Try something like a pair of glasses. See, I've always told you that glasses are probably the most powerful accessory in your wardrobe. It changes your face, it structures it, makes you look more attractive, and it's that little style piece, it's a small detail that will elevate any fit you have. This is exactly why our brain, Jay Black, we are crushing it. There is a reason why we are always sold out and why we have over 5,000 5-star reviews. See, I'm not the only one telling you this. Our glasses are handmade with Italian acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses. Our glasses have the same material that designer frames do that go for $300, but we sell ours at $49. You want to know why? Because I'm designing frames for you, my brothers, because I know how important a frame can be. I know how much a frame can level you up and fill you with confidence. I know the difference that it can do, and I don't want to charge you an arm and a leg. Matter of fact, I want to make it so affordable so you can build an entire collection of frames. Once you buy one, you're going to be hooked to the point that you'll want 2, 3, 4. You want a frame for every situation, and that'll just be the beginning. So if you want to get started taking care of how you look, you want to do just one simple difference. See how it feels. See if you feel comfortable with it. See if you get any compliments. See if it makes a difference. Start with the pair of frames. It's simple, it's going to be affordable, and it's an easy way to get your feet wet. If you guys want to check out Jay Black and pick up a pair of frames, I'm going to have the link down below. Like I said, go check them out. These things move fast. I would suggest you guys check out our Prism collection. This is our blue light blocking collection, which are the ones you're seeing behind me. See, the cool thing with these frames is that you can wear them all the time, 24/7, day or night, sunlight or not, allowing you to get more usage out of them. If you guys want to check it out, they'll be linked down below. Number 3, invest your money. See, I believe that financial literacy should be as common or as requested as regular literacy, but it's not. See, it's never talked in a household. At least in my household, the idea of investing your money, I don't even think it was touched upon once in my entire lifetime. And the reality is that you got time. See, the earlier you're taught about this, and the earlier you start, the richer you'll be. Shoot, you could be a millionaire by 40 without any effort. Let me give you a great example. Let's say you get your first job at 16. Let's say you make $2,000 a month, so about $24K a year. This is a very baseline entry level job. Let's say you want to be aggressive. You want to be a millionaire by 40. So I want you to grab half of what you earn and invest it. So that means $1,000 every month automatically will go into an investment fund. Let's say it yields 10% a year. After only 24 years, that's all it takes, you'll have over almost $1.1 million without even lifting a finger, just because you realized and were smart enough, instead of spending on stupid things, you invested in your wealth. And the cool part is that this is assuming all else equal, meaning that you kept that same $24,000 a year job for the rest of your life. Which the reality is, by the time you're 20, 21, you go through college, your job pay is going to be increasing more and more and more, and that $1,000 that you habitually have been investing won't feel as much. Which rolls us on to number 4. I want you to master your mind. This is your worst enemy. Your own mind is your biggest critic. See, your own mind will tell you everything that's wrong with you, and everything that might not even be wrong with you that's wrong with you, and remind you every second of the day of that. And see, the problem is that all that negativity, that's how you carry yourself. That's how your confidence will be. That's how you're going to present yourself. This is why you need to fill your mind with positivity and master your mind. Most of the stuff that you're overthinking, I promise you, it's not that big of a deal. And once you learn that what you're overthinking is not that big of a deal, you're able to then replace those negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Focus on the compliments. Focus on how much you have achieved. Focus on your skill set. Focus on whatever you're good at every single day. And when that's what's running through your mind, your confidence is going to start filling up, and how you carry yourself and talk to people, that's the type of energy they're going to be filled with. Which finally rolls us on to number 5. I want you to fight your vices. See, pornography, gambling, alcohol, drugs. See, a lot of these in moderation really aren't a bad thing. The bad thing is when these vices take control of your life. The bad thing is when these vices now dictate every single move that you do. That everything that you do is so you can get high, or you can get that extra drink, or you can gamble some more. See, it takes self-awareness. Once you realize that something's addicted to, I don't care what type of addiction, even something as simple as a caffeine addiction, these are the type of vices you're going to want to fight off, because the strongest you'll ever be as a man is when there is not one single thing that controls you. I'm not saying to not indulge in some of these stuff, just make sure they don't control you, because that's when the downfall comes. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.